Okay, so ngayon pag-uusapan natin ang the real number system. So, ano nga ba yung real number system, no? So, una, meron to ng mga parts. Unang parts niya is yung mga natural numbers. So, yung symbol ng natural numbers natin ay isang malaking N. So, the set of natural numbers is the first set of numbers that we have learned. Ano ba yung mga natutunan natin ng mga numbers? Nung tayo ay bata pa. Nung bata pa tayo, lagi tayong nag-uumpisa magbilay ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, yun po yung ating mga natural numbers. Nag-i-start po siya sa 1 and so forth and so forth. During our childhood days, we were first taught by our parents or guardians to count from 1 to 10. So, syempre, yan yung basic. So, yung 1 to 10 is part of the natural numbers. And then more than 10 natural numbers then po. So the set of numbers is the counting numbers or natural numbers. So another term for natural numbers is counting numbers. So ito yung mga sample ng natural numbers natin. 1 hanggang 10 and so forth and so forth. So yung ibig sabihin po nito tatlong dot hanggang sa pinakadulo-duluhan. So, hindi naman po natin alam kung ano ang pinakadulo ng numbers, di ba? So, next, prime numbers are numbers with exactly 2 factors, 1 and itself. So, ano ba yung mga sample natin ng prime numbers? So, unang-una dyan, yung pinaka-smallest prime numbers that we have is 2. Because 2 times 1, ayan, 2 times 1, sabi dito, 1 ulit itself. 2 times 1, wala na pong iba. 3 times 1, ayan. Yung 4, meron po siya. 2 times 2, that is 4. Ayan, 4 times 1. So, madami na siya. That is composite na po. Yung 5. Yung 5 is 5 times 1. So, yun, mag-iisa lang. So, that is a prime numbers. Yung 6 naman, we have 3 times 2 and 6 times 1. So, that is composite. Next, so yun, nakapagbigay na rin tayo ng sample ng composite numbers. So, numbers with more than 2 factors. So, madami yung mga factors. Katulad po ng 4 at saka ng 6 na nasabi natin kanina. Okay, so the first 5 prime numbers, we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So, that is the first 5 prime numbers. No, kasi yung 8, hindi naman po siya prime numbers, that is composite po. Kasi 4 times 2, no? And 8 times 1. Yung 9 naman is 3 times 3, 9 times 1. Yung 10 is 2 times 5, and 10 times 1. So, madami siyang factors. So, the first 5 composite numbers, ayan naman po, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yan naman po yung ating first composite numbers. Next, whole numbers. So, yung whole numbers natin, yung symbol na ginagamit ay W. So, the set of natural numbers expanded to the set of whole numbers. So, ayan. So, ibig sabihin, nadagdagan lang yung ating natural numbers. Tapos, ano kaya yung nadagdag sa natural numbers at kung bakit siya tinawag na set of whole numbers? So, ang nadagdag yata dito ay yung 0. No? So, ibig sabihin, yung nadagdag sa 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth and so forth. Now, yan na po ay tinatawag natin na whole numbers. Ayan. Ito na po yung ating mga whole numbers na isama na po natin sa 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, sabi dito, all natural numbers are whole numbers. That is correct. No? So, lahat ng natural numbers ay whole numbers. Next, we have the integers. We have Z. Pag sinabi natin, yung symbol natin dito ay Z. So, pag sinabi natin integers, meron po tayo ng positive and negative. Now, so integers comprise the set of negative integers and whole numbers. So, ibig sabihin, yung mga whole numbers natin, nadagdagan naman ngayon ng mga negative integers. So, ayan. So, ibig sabihin, yung 0 natin sa whole numbers, tapos yung ating natural numbers, tapos dagdagan natin ng mga negative numbers, that is now the integers. Palaki ng palaki yan nasasakop natin. So, there are different subset of integers. These are the set of negative integers, the set of positive integers, and the set of non-negative integers or the set of whole numbers. So, ayan. Ito yung mga positive numbers natin and then yung negative numbers natin and then the non-negative integers. So, ito yung mga non-negative integers natin. Yan po yung parts ng ating integers. So, paano naman kapag mga fraction like 1/4 o di kaya yung mga decimal natin? Paano naman kaya? Ano naman kaya ang tawag natin doon? So, meron pang pahabol, the set of non-zero integers. So, ito naman yung ating mga non-zero integers. Ayan. So, all whole numbers are integers and that is correct. We cannot say that integers is a whole number. So, hindi po pwede na. Okay? So, next, we have the rational numbers. Yung symbol natin na ginagamit ay U. So, the set of rational numbers is a set of numbers that can be expressed as ratio or two integers where the divisor is not zero. So, ibig sabihin, nandito na po yung ating fraction. So, sabi nga dito, ratio of two integers. Example, 1/4. Integers yung ating numerator, integers din yung ating denominator. So, if A and B are integers, and B should not be equal to 0, so hindi po pwedeng maging 0 yung ating B, kasi nga po, magiging undefined na po yung magiging sagot natin. So, pag hindi po 0 ang ating B, so that is a rational numbers. So, every rational numbers can be written in a fraction and decimal form. So, ayan. Pag nakakita po tayo ng fraction and decimal form, yun po ay rational numbers. So, rational numbers in fraction form can be written in decimal form and rational numbers, and decimal form can be renamed in fraction form. So, meron po tayo ng mga conversion, decimal to rational, or to fraction, and fraction to decimal. So, kino-convert po natin yan. Okay? So, sa fraction, meron tayo ng mga, and then sa decimal, meron tayo ng mga tinatawag na repeated and na terminating na decimal. Ganyan. So, gagawa na lang siguro ako ng video na separate video tungkol doon. Okay? So, all integers are rational. So, nagsimula tayo sa natural, sumunod sa whole numbers, sunod sa integers, and then sunod sa rational. Okay? Next, we have an irrational numbers. Yung symbol natin na ginagamit sa irrational numbers ay H. Ayan. So, the set of irrational numbers is the set of numbers which cannot be expressed as ratio of two integers. So, hindi natin may express into as a ratio ng two integers. So, ibig sabihin, hindi natin pwedeng i-express yung irrational numbers as fraction. Okay? So, these numbers are equivalent to non-terminating and non-repeating decimal. So, nasabi ko kanina, yung terminating and repeating. So, ibig sabihin, kapag irrational numbers, hindi po siya terminating at hindi rin po siya repeating decimal. Kasi meron po tayo ng mga decimal na continue lang, sige lang bago ng numbers, pero wala pong nauulit. Now, okay? So, halimbawa ng ating mga irrational numbers is katulad po ng square root of 2. Yung ating 5, square root of 5. Wala po silang mga eksaktong value. So, hindi po sila natin pwedeng express as ratio or fraction. Kaya po siya irrational numbers. Next, the real numbers. So, yung symbol natin sa real numbers ay R. Pero minsan, ang ginagawa nila sa real numbers, meron pa ito ng guhit dito. Yung ating real numbers. Ayan. So, the set of real numbers is the set of rational and irrational numbers. So, ibig sabihin, yung rational natin, meron siya ng natural, whole numbers, integers, and rational. Yun yung part na to. Tapos yung irrational naman, nag-iisa lang siya. Yan yung mga non-terminating and non-repeating decimals. Okay? So, irrational numbers are real numbers.